5 exercises, one exercise ball that target your lower body and your core. Busy professionals, busy parents. Tap in. Let's get straight to work. First exercise, ball passes. Lie on your back with the ball between your feet, arms reaching overhead. Engage your core. Press your low back gently into the floor. Now exhale as you lift your legs and arms up at the same time and pass the ball from your feet to your hands. Slowly lower your arms and legs back down without letting your low back arch. That's one rep. We're going for 3 sets of 10 here. Keep your core tight and move with control. Second exercise, hip bridges. Great for your glutes and hamstrings. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Arms by your side, core engage. Press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause at the top. Keep your ribs down and don't overarch your low back. Then slowly lower your hips back down. We're doing 3 sets of 10, focusing on squeezing the glutes at the top of every rep. Third exercise, hamstring curls using the exercise ball. Lie on your back and place your heels on top of the ball, legs straight, arms down by your side for support. Press your heels down into the ball and lift your hips up off the ground. From here, bend your knees and roll the ball in towards your glutes, keeping your hips lifted, then slowly roll the ball back out until your legs are fully extended, still keeping control through your core and hamstrings. That's one rep. Again, 3 sets of 10. Try not to let your hips drop. Fourth exercise, single leg hamstring curls with the exercise ball. Same setup as the last exercise, but this time we're using one leg at a time. Place one heel on the ball, the other leg lifted straight up or bent, whatever helps you balance. Lift your hips up, press the heel into the ball, and roll the ball in towards your glutes with control. Then slowly extend the leg back out, keeping your hips as level as you can. Fifth exercise, ab rollouts with the exercise ball. Start kneeling on the floor with your forearms or hands on the ball. Engage your core and keep a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Slowly roll the ball forward, letting your arms extend and your body come closer to the floor. But don't let your lower back sag. Go as far as you can while keeping your core tight, then pull the ball back in to return to the starting position. We're going for 3 sets of 8 to 10 control reps, quality over speed. And that's the workout. Nice job getting all 5 of those exercises done. If you want more at-home videos, click the suggest video on the top of the screen. If you have a gym membership but don't really have any guidance, hit the link in the description. I have programs for women and men that are busy and are busy parents as well and don't have that much time to get into the gym and be in the gym for 2 hours, 3 hours at a time, right? So click the suggested video. If you need a program for inside the gym, it will be in the description. Guys, you don't have to subscribe, but you have to work out.